today we are on the 27th December 2024. Um, to, on Friday, usually I expect some kind of TGIFs whenever we start a market going higher. I always anticipate a TGIF. So if you can see what we did since Monday, we were going higher and higher until Thursday when we swept this high. And remember, we're still in this FEG. So this lower price is intended to be there, where we might come back and test this fair value gap that was created between Monday and Thursday. So there is a higher chance of possibilities to test back into this FEG. And if you look closer, we have volume imbalances also below, which can be tested also if price continues to move lower. But for now, I'm looking at these kind of lower time frames to see if how am I gonna get in these areas. How are you gonna get in these areas? So if you look closer here, I'm gonna show you something. Here we have a gap which wasn't tested on ES right here. But if you look closer, look what happened with NAS. We went above this candle. So this is SMT. So this candle is lower than this, is higher than this candle, while on this candle, on NAS, this candle right here this candle is lower than this candle, so meaning we have an SMT within see how we swept it a little bit. So we have lower, higher, while here we have higher, lower. So if I'm looking to take lower prices, this SMT is also one of the confirmation that I am looking for. And also, if you look here, we literally have a lot of SMTs that were created. On ES, we have this SMT right here, and also in NAS, we have this SMT. So if I'm taking lower prices, I want to go lower. If I'm taking a short here, I want to go lower, targeting this sell side liquidity that is resting around here. That is resting around here. So that is the gist right here. So how do I get here apart from having this SMT? This SMT and this one, how do I get here? So my low here is protected, well, at least after we swept this lower. So I'm basically, if I'm taking a lower price, I can go to a lower time frame, probably 5 minutes, on my 5 minute. So this is where the SMT was created. What do you look for? I'm looking for a market maker buy model, sell model. So this being my low hanging fruit. So whenever we start to break these fair value gaps, they're gonna act as inversion FEGs or support a support turning into a resistance for me. A resistant a support, yeah, a support turning to a resistance. So we went below it and then we use it to go lower. So this high is protected. If you're shorting here, this high is protected. So this is where stop loss is, because you already have an SMT in your way, you already have everything aligning. So this is your low hanging fruit, almost 5% is your low hanging fruit. And also you can check when this was created, right after what 7 a.m., which is a nice spot if you're taking if you're looking to take macro trades. So these are your sweet spots to take trades until we reach IO 830, which is right here. So 830 is the news which went here. So as long as we are below here, so I can keep on shorting these on any. If we have an SMT, I can keep shorting, SMT being my where I'm gonna place my stop loss. So for here, I can check if we have an SMT here, and then this would be my stop loss or my trailing stop loss, because if you entered above here, then your stop loss would be being traded. So you can see how here we have a lower low, and here we have a higher and a lower. So we didn't take out this. So this is a lower and a higher, so we didn't take it out. Yeah, so for now, I'm looking to see on how we react after we get into our what? Our daily FEG, which is residing below here. So that's what I'm looking for this coming session, to test this daily. So, and for now, as it looks, we are going there smoothly. So we have couple ticks to get there. Still have like 20, so almost like 40 ticks to get there. So any entrance, any retracement inside this area, I'm not gonna use it as my longing, but as a shorting opportunity, because I still want price to get here before I think of buying, unless we start breaking up price and go above this high, then I can change my structure or what I'm looking for. But as of now, I'm gonna still continue going with the trend, with what the trend is doing right now, being selling. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. And for this session, I'll see you looking on how prices reacted next week. Meaning is when we're gonna be closing the year, because also you're gonna have to put that into context, because ending the year also has a significant meaning. So are we gonna end up high again, going back again over all highs, or are we gonna just stay still and then close inside the range? Because right now, as for now, it seems like we're coming back into the range. So our overall highs are there. So yeah, that's it really. That's what I'm looking for during this session, and then uh, you can look at what price did next week during our weekly outlook. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.